Hello students. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to write an article. So article writing and its format is going to be discussed in this video. So the first thing that you need to know about article writing, that we always begin our article with a title, a heading or a topic. You will be asked a particular topic, you will be given a particular topic in your exam and you will be asked to write down an article on that. Along with that, you will be given a certain word limit. Suppose 100 to 120 words or 120 words to 150 words. That will be your word limit in your exam. So let us begin the format. The first thing is the title, and just after the title you are supposed to write down your name. Okay, suppose I'm writing an article on Atmanirbhar Bharat and I will be writing down the title first, and after that title I'll write down by Shivani, because obviously I'm going to write my name. Okay, so the first thing you need to remember is, guys, the first thing first, title must be catchy, it must be attractive. Okay, and after title you are supposed to write down your name. Okay, you just write down by and your name. In the next line, just below the title, the heading. Okay, in the middle of the page on the top you write down the title, and just below it write down your name. Now let's come to the content part, which is our most important part. The content part contains several paragraphs, basically I would say 3 or 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph asks you to give a brief introduction of the issue. Yes student, 4 to 6 lines only, not more than that. Okay, so you just give introduction of the issue. Suppose you are asked to write down an article on social ills prevailed in our society. Okay, you just write down the introduction. Okay, what are the social ills that you know? Okay, like dowry system, like you see that corruption is prevailed in our society. So these kind of issues are there, you just write down. Okay, what do you mean by social evils? Next comes the paragraph number 2, and before going jumping on the paragraph 2, just make sure that your introduction part is quite simple. You are just explaining what is it. Do not explain what are the impacts of it. No, no, just give the whole lot of information in paragraph 1. Come to the paragraph number 2, and here we are going to analysis the topic in detail. Yes, in detail. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is going to discuss the what are the types, okay, of that topic, and how it's going to result, and what are the results or consequences of it, how it affects society, what are its positive or negative aspects, because we have chosen a topic that is quite negative, so obviously we only have certain negative results of it. You just mention all those, and also you can uh, talk about some related information if you possess any. Okay, so the paragraph 2 will have a deep understanding, or will give a deep understanding of your thoughts, your idea of that topic. So you need to be really cautious before writing it. Okay, create I'll give you tips and trick at the end, but just divide your ideas into parts: the type, the consequences, causes, uh, positive, negative aspects, and related information in a sequence only. Now comes the part 3, that is paragraph number 3. Okay, we have so far seen the title, it should be very catchy. Now comes the content part. Paragraph 1 means introduction, 2 means analysis. The third part will have the implications. Okay, suppose the particular thing is prevailed in society, so how it is impacting society, how, what are its social, environmental, psychological, or health related implications. Okay, how it is affecting people, you can write down. Now comes the part 4, that is that is altogether onto you, how you perceive the topic, what is your like final concluding words on it, what suggestion you give to overcome the issue, or what are the solutions given by you. So these things contain your part 4 or paragraph 4th, that is we can call us some summary of the whole article that you have written. Now comes the tips part, student. Yes. Now, number one is expression of thought, idea, information related to topic. When you are writing an article, you need to possess a lot of information about the topic. You should have clear idea what is your topic, what are you going to write. You can do one thing. You can just prepare a flow chart before writing and express your thoughts. Do not just copy paste it from anywhere. Express your original thoughts. Now it comes to several students that when they have lot many thoughts, they are not able to arrange them systematically, okay, and they keep on writing things which are mismatched. So before writing, just make sure that your ideas are ordered, they are ordered in a logical way. And the last part, that is for every teacher of language, is the mandatory part, that is grammatical accuracy, no spelling errors, and coherence. Now what is coherence, students? Coherence means that suppose you are writing paragraph, or suppose you are writing lines, that lines shouldn't mismatch, okay? You should be very fluent in your ideas. Do not keep on writing any irrelevant detail or any irrelevant lines connectedly, okay? So that's these are the tips that I could give you from my side. Now the last part, how to make it impressive. Obviously, in your life, I would say you people are too small, okay? So keep it simple. No need to impress anybody, no need to put an impression on anybody that yes, your vocabulary is too sound, or your you know how to write long sentences. Just keep it simple, small sentences, the vocabulary that you have command over, okay? The words whose meaning are quite clear to you, only use those words. Now next is highlight your main points, okay? Because no examiner is going to read the whole article, so obviously you need to highlight your main points. Do not overwrite, to keep it very clean. Instead of cutting the whole word, instead of overwriting, you just cut the whole word and write it again. And the last part is word limit, okay? Students, arrange your paragraph in a article in a logical order, okay? Adhere to the word limit, stick to it.